then the other option is to be an authorized signer on someone else's credit card. So when someone adds you as an authorized signer on their credit card, you get all the benefits of it reporting out there on you. Any ideas how that could hurt instead of help if you're on someone's credit card? Anybody think of a scenario where if they don't pay on time, if they don't pay it on time, if they don't pay it, yeah. So, because you're going to get those, they don't pay, yep. Anything outside of just not paying it, what's another thing? Run it up to almost the limit, Donna. That's it, man. So, so those are the ways that you want to be mindful of that, because those are things that could actually wind up hurting if it's maxed out or if they have late payments. Now you're going to be getting late payments on your history or showing that you've maxed out your credit. Some other options are get a cosigner. Go ahead and do a credit card or a small loan. And if you're in a fortunate enough position that you've got someone who's willing to cosign for you, essentially it's as though the loan is being made on the strength of them, their credit score, etc. And you kind of get to ride their coattails a little bit. So maybe you have the income to show that you can make the payment. You just don't have that credit score that says, hey, historically speaking, when I've borrowed money, I've paid it back as agreed. So that other person can come in and kind of step in, use their credit to help you. It's a big risk on their part because same way like you being an authorized signer, if you don't make that payment or you are late, that's going to impact them. So, and be mindful of that too. We'll see that sometimes where we'll have somebody applying and we're trying to, get the loan going for them, but there's some late payments or missed payments or things that have just gone sideways with things where they were being generous and co-signed and didn't really consider how much that they were truly putting their credit score and their credit worthiness on the line to try and help someone out like that. And then you guys hit the nail on the head, student, retail store, or gas credit card. Terry pointed out that Judge Judy said to never co-sign for anyone. I think it would be tantamount to almost a marriage proposal for me to be like, if I was going to co-sign, if I were to co-sign for someone, what I would want to make sure I had was full online access to see that the payments were being made on time. I'd want to have an agreement with that person that was like, hey, you're going to make the payment maybe a couple of days ahead of time. So I have the opportunity to step in and make that payment if it's going to be late or it's whatever. It would need to be someone I had a really big trust with that they would let me know, hey, I'm going to be late and can you step in and help me out? I'll pay you back so that we can do that. Because I'd rather make the payment than have it hurt my credit. But again, I'd rather not have either. So you're right, kind of on the Judge Judy side of it.
Pinnacle Bank is a member FDIC and an equal housing lender. Neither Pinnacle Bank or its affiliates are a registered broker-dealer. Securities and/or insurance products are not deposits, not insured by the FDIC or any other government agency, nor are they guaranteed by Pinnacle Bank. They are subject to risk and may lose value. Registration does not imply a certain level of skill or training. The purpose of this series is to provide helpful information on the subject matter covered. It is offered with the understanding that Pinnacle Bank is not rendering legal or accounting advice. Since the details of your situation may be fact-dependent, you should additionally seek the services of a competent professional regarding your personal situation.